for our command. All right, here we're gonna be using EUSDJPY. We're gonna be using EUSDJPY. Now, always check which in the beginning of a new trend, so we're gonna focus on the beginning of a new trend. Either short. Okay. Now we have to check which beginnings if it's a none. Then we'll take it from there. Okay, good beginning of a new trend. Sizothola ini i-candlestick elegant. This candlestick elegant is the one that will be opposing the direction of the market. And then sizoba downtrend or the market ingabuya immediately izotestana. So yokwenza njani la they left ama orders ebazowathatha bese continue the direction of market. Ama orders ebawashela ama order 1 with supply and demand atholakala kuphi specific in the beginning of a new trend. Whenever it is the beginning of a new trend, this is what you're gonna get, but it's not always. It's not always where you're gonna get this candlestick. Same applies uma market ishintsha direction iyaphezulu. So ifika ngezansi bese market iyakhuphuka. I-candlestick leyo bazoshiya kuphi bazoshiya. Thina sizofocus on this candlestick more, especially if you are using the supply and demand. But I've had one of my students actually uyithola kakhulu supply and demand with gold. So I want us to use the gold today. Sibuke ukuthi singayithola na gold. So sebenzisa mhlambe 1 hour and 4 hours. All right, unfortunately ngithema ngivula here gold ngayithola eyokuqala. In the beginning of a new trend, so the 1 hour then this one is always available at the beginning of a new trend. Now you realize that the market was going down here for hours. And then isenza lana ishintsha direction iyanyuka manje iba uptrend. Now supply and demand ayishindela. I always say check in the beginning of a new trend but if you notice here, this is the beginning of a new trend. The market was going down here. It's ishintsha direction here. They left this candlestick here specifically. And then Mabui levels on test here on gold. They pushed all the way up. Same applies here. They left this candlestick, but this one is not the supply and demand. It's a potential continuation pattern. Now let's push back. Sifuna beginning of a new trend. And uma ukuthi mhlambe unombuzo regarding supply and demand, feel free to ask. I'm here ukuthi sikhulume ngayo. You can use 1 hour, you can use 4 hours. And then kuzoyenzeka ukuthi ingaveli ngesikhathi ofuna ukuthi ivele ngaso. Kuzoyenzeka ivele ngathini akusiyinto eyokhera now and then, but uma ivelile izoba ne-effect. Okay, asicheck over 4 hour because 1 hour ayiveli. And then siphinde sikwazi ukuhlukanisa between supply and demand and a potential continuation pattern. In the beginning of a new trend, you're gonna get the supply and demand. In the middle of a trend, you're gonna get in the potential continuation pattern. This one, a potential continuation pattern, is always away from the beginning of a trend. This one is supply and demand is always in the beginning of a new trend. What happened here? The market was going down for hours. That means direction. They left this candlestick. The market went up. I'm 4 hours for approximately 16 hours. The market was going up. Not even 16. I mean 8 hours. The market was going up. It's a ifigala yabuya pants. Izo wenza no buya pants. Izo tata the orders that they left here. And now buga uguti wenza galani ne. Buga uguti wenza galani here. Buga this candlestick, this one and this one. They are very small. And then look at this red candlestick. It is very small. And then this candlestick, everywhere the tested this potential continuation pattern, it is now big. and bottling aganan. Ukutshela lo, everyone is buying here. Everyone is buying here. Don't find yourself over against the direction the market. Now, pattern also they are corresponding with the direction of the market. So make sure that whatever that you do, you go according to the direction of the market. You're gonna be safe. I'm on 4 hours now. Let's go back a little bit and see if you're gonna get more. Always remember, guys, in the beginning of a new trend, that's where you're gonna get the supply and demand. And then in the middle of the trend, you're gonna get the potential continuation pattern. Okay, so far, I don't see one here. Here's another one here. On 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, we check. The market was going down for hours, and then they left this red candlestick here. The market went up for a few hours, and then this red candlestick that you see here, it came back to do what? To test the potential continuation. I'm sorry, to test the supply and demand. And then a potential continuation pattern was created here. The market went up, it came back to test the potential continuation pattern, and then all the way up. Always observe in the beginning of a new trend, what is it that they left you? What is it that you have? Okay. If ukhona onombuzo, feel free to ask, guys. You look at what we have here. The market was going down for hours, and then all of a sudden now the market is changing the direction. Why? What is it that we have here? We have the supply and demand here. The market came back for the supply and demand, and all the way up. Remember the last time, uma kunama news event, always go back and check what is it that you have on your left-hand side, the market is the direction. Now you notice that we have the supply and demand that was not tested. The higher the chance that the market will shoot down to in the supply and demand. If you go to E-line chart, as now this downtrend, this market, this candlestick that was going down. If you go to E-line chart, can you see that? They left this candlestick for orders as they are going up. Now, listing ikapi magna manus event, ulimala abantu abanjani, those who jump in here and buy. Uma market is a reversal like this. Bazoba challenges keep while the market is still going up. That is why I always say it is safe to buy a corner. It is safe to sell where everyone is selling. Okay, let's push back and see which is the tolerance again. And in the potential continuation pattern, the supply and demand, amakin is typical ayafana, and then so a trader the same. Umehluwa the location. Umehluwa location pair. We trade the same. You can check Nanoma EPE pair, you'll find the same thing. Even if you can push and check ENSDF, you're gonna get the same thing. Each of your is to focus on the beginning of a new trend. What is it that they left for you? That is why Escatnis Ozotola Umuntu no, I will expect to the market Ibuye is a test that is support ganj umebu. And then the market end up being a buy to support or good resistance. So when Zinjan, Usuwe supply and demand, because the market in a few patterns, you can see the market was going down. Each is so in here for hour supply and demand. It's level code. And always remember, whatever that you're going to be trading in the market is not 100%. It is not 100%, mind you. You will take losses. But make sure with Ilos Maritata, you will still have a chance to come back. Ongati Maritata, trade, we all in. Make sure you trade all Tata, use a was to allow to Tata Malos pin the buoy foot to regain again. Again, you Mavu guys, feel free to ask. Go back and check again. Oma Ubugala. Can you guys show me Uguti if you can speak any test the supply and demand that we have here? Or the question is, was it tested or not?
I test you.
Which can speak a test and can you highlight on my screen?
Oh, Gula.
Yes, it
Ileli.
was tested. So now ufuna ukuthi again sikwazi ukubona ukuthi iliphi i-candlestick elithestile, iliphi elingathestanga. And then kubaluleke kanjani, kusiza kuphi lokho ukuthi wazi ukuthi angisangeni ngizithole ngisela la. Angisaseli here in future. Why ungasaseli shamaline wami? Angisaseli here. The reason why you're not gonna sell here, it is because of it was tested. The supply and demand, it's a once-off thing. The potential continuation pattern is a once-off thing. Uma uzothola i-potential continuation pattern eyodwa kanje engathestwanga, pay attention. Once ifika isithestiwe, just move on. Kuzoba-ke nalawo ma-10% ke la uzoyithola ingathestwanga ibe against you. Kusuke kwenze njani uma kwenzeka leyo scenario leyo? Kusuke kube ukuthi mhlambe ube i-potential continuation pattern yakho i-opposite direction ye-market.
Mina ngibona.
Angizwa?
Mbona. Hello.
Yebo.
Okay.
Oh. Beningangizwa?
Asingakuzwa.
Oh, asihlamba i-network I think. Now, uma omunye mhlawumbe angathi no mina angiyiboni i-candlestick elithestile, kungaba iliphi specific yabona. Uma ubuka la the market went up, went down. Awulibone i-candlestick elithestile. Uma sibuka la, let me change the color. Uma ubuka la sine downtrend yabona. Market was just showing few red candlestick until we are going down. And then candle, let's pay attention below. It's the red one. I'm sorry, the green one here. Uma check again the green candlestick. The market is here to 1, here to 2. The third candlestick before ear pants, Italia pays as a tester. In supply and demand. Orders. If uzohlulewa check out it was tested or not, uyozithola uku-challenge ukuthi wenzeni usele la ingayikho direction yakho. Hence you can see i-penetrator yaphezulu. Uma usuzoyifica i-testiwe kufana ne-potential continuation pattern. Uma uzoyifica sebayithestile angeke ibuye isebenze. The only time izobuye isebenza akusebenzi yona specific. Remember, uma sine-potential continuation pattern here, the market iyanyuka, create i-resistance here. Next time the market react to the resistance because it is fresh and brand new, not a potential continuation pattern. This is Obuya Wupi, who resistant as what second time touch. We are done with the resistance now if you're gonna sell. Because eventually you're gonna sell here. What are you selling here? You're selling this potential continuation pattern. What do you get? You get a resistance afterwards. The market is the support, my support is we are back to the resistance. You sell again. What do you have here? If first time touch here resistance, Isibuya as what? Second time here resistance. You're gonna sell, you place your stop loss above this or here. Same apply with potential continuation pattern. You can see on my where my cursor is in a potential continuation pattern here. The market went up, Yabuya so it tested here, and then it went up. In future, if we penetrate Yabuya move a little bit, yes. I respect it's a once-off thing. Uma trader a potential continuation pattern, you're gonna get a once-off thing. Uma trader is supply and demand, you're gonna get a once-off thing. Angazi noma sihamba sonke.
Cela ungiphendula lapho chaza khona Tish.
Okay. Asiyela. Ngithi potential continuation pattern, it's a once-off thing here. Uma ubuka la, it's a once-off thing. Uyithatha kayi-1 angeke ibuye izosebenza this side. Uma uyitholile kanje, let it go. Ungene at the same time ukwazi ukungena la istop sakho sikuphi singezansi. Come to supply and demand again, uzoyithatha for the first time. We are done. Uma usuzobuya soyithola seyithestile awusasebenzisi yona. Usuzosebenzisa ini i-resistance ozoyithola la because izojika ngithi la ijikiswa yini ile supply. So resistance here. Same apply to potential continuation pattern. Izoshiya in here izoshiya i-rally base kusala ini i-support. Angazi noma lento engizama ukuyichaza iyezwakala.
Ngamanye amazwi isuke singasa-wealthy lutho ukuthi
Yes,
ingasebenza.
akusana lutho esele eshiyo mhlawumbe. Akusana lutho esele
Ama-orders.
eshiyo. Ama-order wonke bawathethe.
Okay, hayi. Ngiyayizwa kahle.
Iba ne-value uma ingatestwanga, ama-orders aba maningi uma ingatestwanga, or mhlawumbe ngiyibeke so uma ingatestwanga iba ne-value. Angithi uyabona njengala. Sinani sine-rally, sine-base, sine-rally. In future, i-market ibuyile la yenzeni ifike ya-respecta this level, yani eye-rally base rally. Let me highlight the base specific. I-base yethu na. Ithe mayibuya yangena la ya-reverse. In future, ithe mayibuya again kwenzekeni i-respecte ini this resistance. Njengoba ngishizo ukuthi uma ucheck i-resistance ukuthi i-create-eka kanjani. On my left hand side, I have a rally, base, rally. And then uma ngine-rally base rally, so ngizobuya ngizobhaya here. Why am I buying here? I'm buying the rally base rally. I'm buying the rally base rally here. And then uma ngibhaya market ihamba sengilani la, sengine-support. Iyabuya in future izotesta in the support. I'm not ngiyacabanga ngiyangibamba manje. Potential continuation pattern on our left hand side cause the market to change the direction here specifically. And then now market isinyuka iyaphezulu sekusele ini here kusele i-support, and it is our first time siba ne-support here. Isiyabuya in future izotesta in i-support again. And niyazi ukuthi uma trader i-support and resistance sifuna ini ama-touches awu-2. Sifuna ama-touches awu-2 only. Hence you can see it penetrated here. Once uba nama-touches awu-2 awusangeni ku-support, awusangeni ku-resistance, you are done now. Why? Bazoyi-break. The more touches you have, the level is getting weaker. So thina sizofuna i-level ezoba strong. Uma u-trader i-support, uyazi ukuthi first time is strong. The second time is strong. We don't go for it that time. The third time is weak. The higher the chance of ukuthi break. Hence you can see here. We can check even here in a touches out to with that time. We break again on my left hand side here. On my right hand side, you can see here. So what I can just say, make sure whatever that you are trading the first time. The higher the chance of which the first time also you trade is only as a results are sharp. Ngawat mangibeka so izwakala kangcono.
Okay.
All right, asibuye futhi. Ngithekini in the beginning of a new trend sithola ini i-supply and demand. Now, uma ubuka la, this is the beginning of a new trend. Kodwa isimuvile a little bit. Asingeke consider as i-supply and demand. Sizoyithatha as a potential continuation pattern. One, ngifuna lokuthi siphinde sibe ne-better understanding ye-movement ukuthi ikhozeka kanjani, ivela kanjani, kwenzekani. Angi-highlight la. Uma sizocala ngapha kule uptrend. I-uptrend esinayo le isuka ku-potential continuation pattern on my left hand side. Yabona? Now, the cause ukuthi ijike here. Uma isishintsha i-direction iyaphezulu sinani, sine-supply and demand here. I-market iyanyuka, iyajika laphayana phezulu iyabuya izezansi. Isijikiswa yini? Yeah, I know for a fact kunabantu abazoyilinda here as support. Hayi izobuya izotest i-support. Support yethu i-fresh kodwa ayibuyanga. Kwenzekeni ijikiswe yini specific here? What do you have on your left hand side, the supply and demand? Kwenzekeni here, they left a potential continuation pattern banyuka baya phezulu. Babuya bazothatha ini ama-orders here again. Banyuka baya kuphi? Baya phezulu. Sebajikiswa yini ke la? What's the cause ukuthi ijike la? You check on your left hand side kunani in a potential continuation pattern. The potential continuation pattern le ithini? Push the market down towards what? The support area. The potential continuation pattern le iphenduke in the support due to this candlestick. Isibuyile izotest. Nakhona ngeke uyithathe le. Uzothatha i-potential continuation pattern. Une support here. Uzobuya uzobhaya la again. Mawubhaya la uyazi ukuthi izoya ngaphezulu. You are done. So uma u-analyzer, it is very much important ukuthi ukwazi uku-check-a almost wonke lama level ukuthi wa-understand ukuthi eme kanjani ukuze ube safe. Once u-understand-a yonke lento le then iyadala. Angiphinde futhi kukhona nombuzo sikwazi ukuchubekela phambili.
lapho qeda ukuchaza khona angathi nje ifike nje ajika nje ngaphezulu mawungayinakile ngeke uzubona ukuthi ifike yayi-retest.
Yiphi le specific le? Ngicela ungi-highlight le screen.
La ngemuva. La.
Oh, asifake i-horizontal line. I-horizontal line izositshela okuyikho. I-testile yabona.
Oh.
Sometimes masone experience kuba ukuthi uvesa noboldo i-testiwe le. Yabona? Uvesa nobuke nje kayi-one, uvesa noboldo oh hayi cha. Engatestwanga uyibona ngani ijika a little bit earlier in so leyo i-penetrative. Even if singathi sizuma in, you will see ukuthi ayikho accurate eyami. Ngingafuna ukuthi yabona iyavela kancane ya-overlap a little bit kodwa i-testiwe. Asifake i-horizontal i-rectangle siyibuke uma sihamba nge-rectangle. Yabona i-testiwe.
Hey kodwa iyalokho nje. Impela ungazi ukuthi ayitest, ungazicabanga ukuthi ayitestanga mawuthi awuyazi kahle.
Yeah, uma uyibukele ekudeni buke ngathi ayitestwanga but uma sowuzuma kahle ubona yonke into bayitestile nje bahamba. Now angithi lento le ibuyele kuphi? Ibuyela lento engiyisho uma sitrader i-potential continuation pattern ngithi mina always observe ukuthi bayithinta kanjani. Kwenzeka bazoyithinta kanje bajike. Someone once said to me, manje ngoba mfethu unokuyibona inokuthi i-penetrate izojika somewhere here, can't we buy here specific? No, you cannot buy here specific. The reason why you cannot buy here, buka ukuthi ijike kuphi. Let's say kade ulinde ukuthi uzobhaya here. Yebo kuyenze njani? Ithintile yahamba. Wena usumise i-entry manje usuzokwenzani? Mawubona ukuthi iyahamba ungene la. I-stop loss sakho kumele sibe kuphi ukuze ube safe, sibe here. Now i-risk to reward yakho ayisabhalance uma kume kanje. So the best thing to do, ilinde ifike ku-supply and demand yakho or potential continuation pattern yakho, uyithathe here. Now uma uyithatha la, i-risk yakho iyabalance. Even if take profit yakho kade ila, i-risk yakho iyabalance. So you're gonna lose less, you're gonna win more. Awungathathi i-trade elithi 50-50. I'm willing to lose $50, I'm willing to akube ukuthi mhlambe if you are willing to lose $50, you are willing to gain mhlambe $200. Uma uzoyi-adjusta ngale ndlela le kuzobalula ukuthi i-profit isheshe ibonakala. Asibuyeleni futhi emuva, kukhona omunye onombuzo? Ukuthi-ke sihamba sona. Asenzeni kanje while isikhathi sisesekhona ngizama ukuthi sibuke nge-Nasdaq sibone uma si-check-a i-Nasdaq using u-4 hour singakwazi yini ukuthi sithole i-supply and demand. Siqale from the current price. This is the actual current price.
Cela ungicishe thisha sengibhale lapha.
All right.
Cishe ngerap.
Now i-Nasdaq yethu, the current price so far there is nothing like the supply and demand. Ikhona nayo. But in the beginning of a new trend, this is Nasdaq, the market got the ear party here. Isenzani ishintsha i-direction. Ungamind ama-weeks. Uma wenza kanje you get the actual deal. This is where the market actually turns. So asibuyele ngapha faka i-rectangle yakho to the right. Everyone can do that. Supply and demand. The supply and demand, guys, iyasifana just that ufuna nje ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyibekezelele uyilinde because iyethatha isikhathi eside ukudlula most of number 2 elong. Number 1 elong yo wonke ama-opportunities wathathayo la or kule kuma-pattern ososebenzayo i-trend line. I-trend line takes isikhathi eside accumulate kahle and then supply and demand number 2 la ithatha isikhathi. Uma ubuka la bayishiye ngey'ngakhi ngeyi-22 bayitheste ngezi-27. All along wena kade ulindile uma utrader ini i-supply and demand specific kade ulindile ukuthi ukwazi ukuzobhaya here. And uma u-understanda ukubaluleka ukuthi ulinde ama-opportunities uzobona ukuthi here khona umuntu ozothi ngiyabona ngathi bhayi wabhaya yanyuka waba nelakho omunye ujumpe in la ya-reverse ayibona. By the time izobuya ku-supply and demand baningi sebakhike out, kanti wena uba safe uma wenze njani uma uyilinde la specific. Uma ubuka again njengoba ngisho ama-trend lines yiwo athatha isikhathi. Nayi i-trend line yethu here ezansi, even though namhlanje singakhulumi ngama-trend lines. Uma ubuka la nayi first time yethu, highlight it, nayi first time here, nayi second time. Where do we supposed to buy? Here with that time. All right, asibuyele back to check. The second time yethu bayithinta ngeyi-17. When do we supposed to buy? Uma ibuya izothinta ini i-dead touch. I-dead touch yethu ikhiphe ngeyi-20. So wena from ngeyi-17 kade wenzani ukuthi ulinde ukuthi ibuye ize la specific so that you can buy. Isifikile-ke la you take i-trade yakho ngoba simple. Kodwa le ayikho that long. Kukhona amanye ama-trend line la uthi uma uyibuka usho ya la ngilinde unyaka nohafu ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole. Kodwa nje uma usebenzisa ama-potential continuation pattern into ezoyenzeka la and then ama-opportunity yawathola yende overgrab. Let's go back until sithola more yama-potential continuation pattern. I think buka sengikhuluma nge-potential continuation pattern ukuthi supply and demand. Nisakhumbula ngithi ukuthi i-supply before ngiya lapha i-Nasdaq iya-respect wonke lama-pattern esiwasebenzisayo bafethu ne. I-trend line uma uyithole ku-Nasdaq you're gonna be happy. I-supply and demand uma uyithole ku-Nasdaq you're gonna be happy. I-support and resistance uma uyithole ku-Nasdaq you're gonna be happy as well. So wonke lama-pattern esiwasebenzisayo asebenza kamnandi ku-Nasdaq, but that doesn't mean ukuthi awina why. They do take losses. Losses are all over, guys. Ningathi ngithe siwina wire here. Losses ayaba khona here, so make sure ukuthi whatever that you do, you have a room for a loss. Tata e-trade was okay, fine. $100, I'm willing to risk mhlambe $60, ngasala no-40. Risk $100 wonke at the same time. So understand ukuthi ngichazuthini mangisho njalo. Sibuyele move again, sifuna in specific supply and demand. Always remember, the supply and demand yethu sizoyithola ilocate kuphi in the beginning of a new trend. Move, this one doesn't look good. Instead, it's a trend line lana. Trend line but even though it doesn't look good, but we levels we check the line. At the trend line, that the market will left here respect the trend line. Let's verify. Irrespective the trend line here too. Then you now then they got the Kulumanga Bugala. And it's the first time here. It's in the second time here. The second time intubation at May 26 by testing May 27. It's impossible. By testing 26 in 7 by testing next 28 years. Yabona time this cat is kanjani. Can you use a test when I went in the meantime because jumper in here is not an option. Jumper in here is not an option. Imagine jumping in here expecting who is a figure. I figure I'm going to the trend line. Then you wear this. Yeah, Buga foot in Angapa. Yeah, who made the trend line. Eating wood, eating you buy here. 9 first time, 9 second time, you buy with that time. Eating it is a period, but this one not very small. But sometimes the ASICO specifically will be my trend line. So when the trend line is in the beginning of a new trend, the market got the ear as here for hours. Umefficiency direction now you can still deliver one balshi la ngaphambi kokuthi behambe distance babuyile bazotesta nani abana la ibuyile azotesta this candlestick. What do you do? you buy izinikela yaphezulu. So ukuze ukwazi ukumastera yonke le shine display ifuna wenze njani? Ifuna ukuthi ube nesineke, uzinike isikhathi sokuthi okay fine, if there's no opportunity, I am not going to create the opportunity anymore. Better ukuthi ulinde i-opportunity yakho uyibone ukuthi okay fine, le ngiyibonile ukuthi the market kade yehla for hours here, close to 16 hours kade yaphansi. They left me in here, they left the supply and demand here. Ngizobuya ngizoyithatha ubuya la. Ayikho into engizoyenza as market inyuka iyaphezulu. Sharp your next day, awenze lutho ulinda ini ukuthi ibuye izongena la so that you can buy uma ibuya. Buy market ibuya. Uyabuya futhi ubuka la. Uyabona la ukuthi ihambe sideways, yapese seyiyehla. What was the cause of that? Go to your left hand side. You realize, oh, flip, here, Sinani, in the beginning of a new trend, in the supply and demand. Highlight the supply and demand, go to the right. Ubuye reaction. Everyone, now, if you begin before you penetrate again, what was the cause you would change the ganj? Check out the left hand side one. You don't think there are also the side here, rely on your left hand side. You check here on your resistance because okay, it became a support. That's why you push a peso. Now, until you push a peso, so each of this way in specific here, that are the same horizontal line, we use a peso to get the answer. How many times analysis focus when we use any the supporting resistance? 2 times. I need like first time here too, like second time here too. The market usually. This is why you need a specific here. But logging chaza la guys, I know which is any hours. So ngizwe ukuthi ni how far ngale supply and demand. Ukhona mhlambe any credit uma ningabambanga, let me know sibone ukuthi angesikwazi ukuthi mhlambe senze any class kuyele ngayo the supply and demand.
Metric manendo. Okay.
Yebo.
I think Mina, I'm one of those angakaibambi kahle i-supply and demand structure.
Okay. Cabanga ukuthi asitube ngayo then masibuya sizoyithi kancane and then we're gonna look for opportunities esingawathatha for today. For now, because of isikhathi sethu sizoba sincane because ngifuna ukuthi siphinde siwabheke nakuma currencies yabona, because we are left with 4 minutes right now, so isikhathi sethu is very small. Kulaba ke esinabo abathi bafuna ukutrade ama-news event but then they are not sure ukuthi kwenzakalani. Buka la sengi-explain kwesithule shandisa. Makunama-news event uma uzofika i-market ila kuthiwa namhlanje it's NFP. Observer i-trend line yakho ela ngezansi. Angithi the first time la the second time draw i-horizontal line yakho kanti uyilinde ungezithuthi ne ibeke kanje. Ngifuna ukufundisa what I do. I don't trade ama-news event ukuthi manje sengizobhaya la sengizosela. No, I don't do that. Instead, I look for opportunities up. Uma ubuka la the first time, second time, kunani ngaphansi kune first time, kune second time. So now kuzoba nama-news event, the market ila specific. Mayinyuka iza la, I sell. Ngiyazi ukuthi izofika la, I buy. Yadala. Ngathini ama-news event, they don't change the direction of the market. They don't change the direction of the market. Instead, bayenzani babuyela emuva to test whatever that they left unattended. Uma ubuka la inyuke yaphezulu ngaphambi kokuthi ibuye izovalela ezansi. Kade yokwenzani phezulu? Kade izotesta ini i-trend line. Those who are trading in support and resistance, kade beyilinde la mayifika la we're gonna sell. Baseyilile la yapenetrate yangaphezulu yabavuthela. Kunani lana? Kune first time, kune second time, this is where you're gonna sell. Trend line. Same applies now. Umanga eraser this one specific, you will notice which one can be if you have a tester. Look at this can be any lot or a tester, then you will as last specific. indaba lizojika la specific kwenzekeni because of the first time, the second time, na third time, this is what you're supposed to buy. Later on yaqhubeka ne-track. Isijikiswa yini-ke la? This erase izobona yonke lento. Uma si-erase la into ayibona ukuthi ijikela specific. Fake horizontal line yakho, you understand. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi ku-left hand side wakho is very much important kuwo wonke okwenzayo. Unfortunately, ayithintanga accurate la sine-potential continuation pattern ehamba nenye ngaphezulu. Abayithintanga accurate. Show ukuthi singasho ukuthi ba-respected this one, but isinama-touches awu-2 already. What we can do here, asenze kanje, unani, usesene-opportunity yokubhaya ini, i-support. I-support yethu yini, the first time here. Iyabuya izoba yini, the second time here. We are done with support and resistance. Into yabona mase ibuya ku-third time. Isiyenzani, iya-penetrate. Always pay attention to touches when you are trading the support and resistance. Ukhona fila ongathi ama-news event anzima here. Yes, anzima only if uzofuna ukutrader ama-news event mawazonke. Yeah, but ngiyangena. You don't know ukuthi izoya kuphi specific. Esikhathi esiningi kuye kwenzekeni uzongena la expecting ukuthi izoya phezulu before iya phezulu izocala iye phansi. And then later on iya ku direction yakho. Imagine when you went all in full margin, you know very well iya phezulu, but before iya phezulu icala ezansi yakushaya yanyuka. So kuphi kule situation that bona ukuthi ezinye izinto zifuna ukuthi ungazibuki ngamawala urelax nje. But okay, fine. Mina nginani lana ngine-trend line. Uma ngine-trend line la kushuthini kungalokho. Shuthi ngirelax izobuya izotesta la. Even though ingekho accurate, but babuyile bazotesta la. There's nothing esinayo on our left-hand side ethi market izojika besides the trend line. The same mhlambe kule akwazanga ukuthi uyithole. Kumele wenze njani? Linda nayi enye bakulethele yona. Ngiye ngathi ngelinye ilanga si-live ngathi kini ama-trend line in most cases angama-zero float. What is it that I meant mangithi angama-zero float? Angama-pattern othi uma uwatholile market ifike iwathinte kayi-1 i-reverse. Uma ubuka la ithinte ya-reverse, ithinte ya-reverse, ithinte ya-reverse as well. Iwashaye kanjani? It's a one touch ya-reverse.